Hello everyone, this is going to be a very small video but a very important video. In this video, I'll just show you how you can insert your images in a best possible way. So normally what we do is to insert an image, or first let me just show you to insert a background image. You go to background and you select an image. For example, I can just go to Google image search. Let's say if I just give background image, and I can just insert an image. For example, I can insert this one, or let me just choose the second one, click on insert and just click on done, and now you see that your image is inserted. In the same way, if I just go to background, you can even change the background color as well. For example, I can choose the green color and so on. Let me just reset it. Again, go to choose color and I'll just select this particular object, this particular image. And now the problem here is that you see I cannot go back and delete this image. For example, if I just give right click, you see there is no option of deleting this image. And even if I just press delete in my keyboard, you see that nothing happens. And sometimes this is not good because it gives a constraint on your slides that at any cost you cannot delete the particular image. What you have to do is you have to directly delete the slide itself. Now let me just add another slide, and in this case let me just add this. And first let me just delete this layout. This is not required. Now the other way is that if I just go to insert and if I just go to image, let's say I search the same image, for example background image, right? And if I just come down, or let me just select this particular image and just give insert. Now in this case what will happen is that you see randomly this image has been added to a particular area in your slide. Now normally what you do is you just go to the end and then you just try to drag it towards the corner so that it fills the entire place like this. But this is not the better way. I'll tell you the simplest way is that let me just undo it, and first just give right click, go to center on page, click on vertically so that you are in vertical position at the center of the page. Again just give right click and click on center of the page, go to horizontally. And now you see that you are exactly at the center of your slide. Now what you do is you just drag a particular corner, for example this corner, but this time what you have to do is you have to keep your finger on shift and then control, okay, so that it will drag uniformly from the center. Now you see that you have dragged it very nicely and it has covered the entire background uniformly. Now again just give 2 times, you just have to click on this particular image and you see a black border here. You see a black type of bar at the corner. Also you have this black bar. This is just for cropping purpose. So what I am going to do is I'll just crop the image till the point where I need. At the bottom also I'm just going to crop it, and you see now again I have to align it properly. And now if I just go up, you see if I just bring it down, and again I have to just go a little up, and now you see that this image is perfectly aligned. Now the beauty of this image is that I can move this image. You see here I can move this, but in case of the first one it is a way to add a background image, but in this case the constraint is that you cannot move the image, even you cannot delete the image, right? So there are 2 ways to add image. The first one is directly you can just go to background. If you're very sure that you are going to keep the image in your background, then use the first technique. Otherwise, it is better go to insert, and then the normal way is that you have to search the image. But once you align the image, before that you have to just notice that you have to just keep a note that you have to press shift and control in your keyboard and drag it so that it will drag it uniformly. In that way, you will be able to align your background image or any type of image properly. So that's it. This was a very quick video which I wanted to share with you so that some of you, if you are facing this problem of not properly inserting your image, then that problem would be resolved. So these are the 2 best techniques which I know. In case you found some other techniques also, please write in the comment below so that everyone should be aware. That's it in this video. Take care. Bye.